This is Lex. She's dedicated to coming out of her comfort zone, starting with solo dates. First things first, flowers. Because a queen should be treated as such. She drove 1 hour and 30 minutes in traffic to go to a restaurant called Verlaine in NYC. Upon arrival, she was worried she'd have to wait a while to be seated, however. To her surprise, she was seated right away. She enjoyed 3 lychee martinis, since they were only $8. The food was divine. Lex rates the dumplings an 8/10 and the lo mein a 9/10. She decided to roam the streets of NYC since the block was hot, and she doesn't get out much. She then ended up at an after spot with her home girls to close out the night.
Big body was sound, I can't sing without smoking fog, and that's the rich man.